Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your 2003 Ford F-150. If that sounds good to you, let's dive in. This 2003 Ford F-150 is equipped with the 4.2 liter V6 engine. So here's a view under the hood. First, let's locate the air filter, and your air filter box is going to be right here. There's going to be this tab, this band that you remove. So I'm just going to pull this lever, break it open, and separate it. And once you separate it, you can just move this up here. And once we do that, here's your air filter. So once you take your air filter out, you're going to want to take it and just inspect it. Yep. And take a look at it. Now, this is how you put your air filter back in. I'm going to take this in here, and there's some lips on these two where they mate together, so you want to make sure you align the tabs on here. And once you get those aligned, there's an indentation right here, a cutout, so that's going to go right there. Once you get it flush, just crank back on that tab and we're in place there. So this is a final view of how it looks here. See that? That's the indentation right here I was talking about. So you want to make sure this notch goes into this window right here, and once you do that, you just crank down on it right here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.